Hi guys, welcome to another video for Motorhome Retrofits. So today we've been working on this 71 plate Elddis Sunseeker. We fitted another set of the daytime running lights. They fit into the lower part of the bumper for fog light aperture, and we've also done an external 240 volt socket, which is part of the C-Line collection. I'm going to show you what it looked like before, which I can show you now with this little picture up here, and then you'll also be able to see what it does afterwards, which just means that when you're on site and hooked up to shore power, means that you can plug in an extension and have something else outside of the vehicle or under the awning. Right, so Richard's done the installation of the socket. Now, at the beginning of the first part of the video, we showed you what the socket actually looked like when the vehicle came to us. So now, obviously this is a locked locker, and now we've got in here the leisure battery. We've got the 3-pin shore power mains hookup, but we've also got what would have been a blank. Now this blank is part of the C-Line collection. We have in stock various different components. This particular one is a 240 volt 3-pin mains socket, but it can be anything, USB, 12 volt socket, whatever you want. It can be part of this collection here. So what we've done is we've taken out the blank, fitted some 3-core flex in through to the consumer board, popped the C-Line socket in, put the connector and adapter plate back over the top, and then that's all been run to, like I said, the consumer board so that it's on a fused socket supply. It's nice and safe and clean and exactly how you need it to be. Now, because of the access of this little cubby hole, you can't fit any old plug. So if you've got a big one like this, then it's not going to fit in. But if you've got one of the lower plugs like so, with the cable coming out the bottom here, you can plug it in and no problem. But if you wanted to, you could also plug an extension lead in here. Of course, that extension lead's not going to be waterproof, so you would need to unplug it before you close up for the night and everything else. So there's the socket plugged in, but that's not going to do anything yet because we haven't plugged in our shore power. And of course you can't then, once this is plugged in, you can't really get access to this. But we didn't design this motorhome, we're just making it a little bit better by fitting this 240 volt socket. So plug in the 240 volt first, plug in the mains power, just so, like so. Let's get that lined up. That's locked in. And then once that's registered power on here, this will then start to light up. So the reason why we've grabbed this is the nearest thing that we had in the workshop here, that's a 240 volt socket, and that then shows you the fact that we've got mains coming through to this. So if you wanted to charge, I don't know, Bluetooth speaker or something that was mains powered or anything, you can just plug it in, have the mains. But the handy thing about this is that they've run a little channel here so that you can shut. You can then put it away. So for instance here, that's in, done and dusted. This is your mains power anyway, so that would be on show whether it's sunny, raining, whatever. And then this, if you're charging something, can still go underneath the motorhome or in your locker if you've got enough room. So this is a 71 plate, so that's late 2021 Elldis Sunseeker coach-built motorhome. And all we've done today for this customer is we have removed the blank for this external socket, popped in a 240 volt 3-pin mains socket, which is part of the C-Line connector, C-Line collection, and then we have enabled that in through the consumer board to give him external 240 volts. So another video for Motorhome Retrofits. The website is www.motorhomeretrofits.co.uk. If you want something like this, the last video we did external USB charging. We've now done external 240 volts. If you want some extra features like this on your caravan, camper van, motorhome, then get in touch with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.